Hello friends, I am Khotsre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Kunddev Sainik School Tasgaon. Today we are going to learn about gerund from spotting errors, which will be useful for the students who are trying for UPSC written exam for the subject English. So let's see the mistakes we commit while using gerund. When an action is being considered in general sense, gerund is used as subject. For example, swimming is his favorite pastime. इधर swimming gerund है and it is used as a subject. Walking is a good exercise. Walking gerund है इधर and as a subject इधर यूज किया है. ये जो स्विमिंग एंड वॉकिंग है ये जनरल सेंस में यूज किए हैं. सो एट दिस टाइम these are the gerunds used as subject. Gerund is used as subject in short prohibitions. मीन्स क्या नहीं करना है इसके बारे में भी बताया जाता है. स्मोकिंग इज प्रोहिबिटेड. Verbs such as help, stop, detest, avoid, finish, dread, mind, prevent, dislike, risk, deny, recollect, no good, no use, resent, delay, postpone, defer, enjoy, forgive, pardon, excuse, suggest, etc. are followed by the gerund. For example, it is no use saying. No use के बाद saying gerund आया है. It is no good repenting. No good के बाद repenting आया है. तो उसी तरह से ये जो लिस्ट है वर्ब की उसके बाद gerund आता है. I avoid calling out loudly. A gerund is placed after a preposition. For example, she is tired of walking. He is fond of riding. But the prepositions except and but are followed by an infinitive. So generally it is confusion. When should we use infinitive and when should we use gerund? A gerund showing physical activity is put after come or go. He is to go shooting. To go के बाद physical activity is shooting, इसलिए gerund आया है. Come fishing with us. come के बाद fishing ये gerund आया है which is physical activity. Nouns followed by a gerund are put in the possessive case. He hates his brothers drinking every day. Brothers एक possessive है, उसके बाद gerund form आया है. She dislikes her child's playing all time. Child's possessive है, उसके बाद gerund आया है. If there is a sense of dislike, hesitation, risk, etc. in a sentence, use gerund. For example, I dislike reading cheap novels. She hesitates singing in the company of her friends. Means if there is a sense of dislike, hesitation, risk, we should use gerund after that. Adjectives before gerund are put in the possessive case. I do not mind your going away. What is the good of his trying to do that? So adjective here, your, his, they are the adjectives and they are in the possessive case. With a view to is always followed by a gerund and not an adjective. For example, we go to school with a view to studying. जनरली क्या होता है, टू के बाद मेन वर्ब आता है, इसलिए टू इन्फिनिटिव ऐसा होता है, लेकिन विथ अ व्यू टू इस एक्सप्रेशन के बाद gerund ही आता है. So here most of us commit mistake, so keep it in mind. We go to school with a view to studying, ये सही है. In this way we have finished this topic, gerund. While studying gerund and infinitive, somewhat confusion is there, so study gerund and infinitive in a good way. Okay, thank you. We will stop here.